If you own a pickup truck, you're used to rugged durability. With Bruno's Out-Rider, you get the same reliable performance when lifting and securing your wheelchair, scooter, or power chair. The Out-Rider fits full and mid-sized pickup trucks with standard, extended, or crew cabs and is designed to deliver dependable performance even in harsh weather. In fact, the Out-Rider may even outlast your truck. Since the Out-Rider is easily removed and reinstalled, you can transfer it to your next compatible pickup. An Out-Rider can be installed and operated on either the driver or passenger side. Make your truck user-friendly for you or a loved one with mobility challenges. Connect the docking clip to your mobility device, press a button, and the fully powered Out-Rider quickly and efficiently raises and rotates your mobility device weighing up to 350 pounds or 159 kilograms into the truck bed. Once the mobility device touches down, it's secure for travel. You rely on your pickup to get things done, and you can depend on Bruno's Out-Rider to get you where you want to go.